that noise, bro? Hold up. I know I'm not tripping. Like, what is this noise coming from this box? I'm about to check it out right quick. Somebody in here making weird noise. Hold up. So you telling me is y'all? What are y'all even doing in here? I did not expect this. Like, what are y'all doing in this box? Doing all this weird stuff. You know what? What y'all need to be doing is liking this video, liking my other videos, commenting, and if you're not subscribed, you need to subscribe already. Y'all in here doing weird noises and stuff. But you know what? I'm not even gonna judge y'all on that. We're just gonna act like that never happened. But you know what? Do me one favor. Stay tuned and check out this video.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot, Tony fuck 12, fuck SWAT, busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box, had to put the stick in.
Welcome back to another video, man. Now, hopefully they don't demonetize me for that little intro, bro. Cause your boy is getting that bag. I'm talking about that bag, that big bag, that duffel bag type bag money. If that made sense, you know. As y'all can see from the title, man, I will be installing some front splitters onto the car. The thing about these front splitters, they're actually universal. They're not specifically made for my car. Now, I could have went that route, but it was a little expensive. The front splitter that I did want was actually $300, and I was just like, it don't make sense for me to really spend that much money, because what happens if it get damaged? Now I'm out of $300, and yeah. Who can I blame? Myself. That's it. Can't blame nobody else but myself. So I went the cheaper route. Spent $70. These splitters are from Amazon. Now that's still not cheap. That's still like $30 more. You would have been at $100. Still not cheap, but it's a lot cheaper than what I could have went with. Like I said, I would have spent $300 on a splitter that's specifically for the car, but I didn't. I went for this. But I know I had this real long intro. I know y'all want me to get into the video, so that's what we're gonna do, man. But make sure y'all like this video. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already, man. And let's get into this. All right, so here are the front splitters that I'm gonna be putting onto the car. As you can see, they're in gloss black. There was also an option to get carbon fiber, but I didn't want that. It wasn't real carbon fiber. And then I also think these are a little too aggressive for an Accord. But at the same time, I think it'll actually make it look nice. It'll stand out and it'll add to the front of it. Make it look a little bit more mean and aggressive. Shouldn't be too bad. If I don't like them, I could just take them off. I'm gonna just go ahead and install this, and I want y'all to check it out. Comment below and let me know what y'all think about them. And yeah, man, let's get into this. So it comes with a pack of screws. Comes with 10 of them. Just got finished drilling holes. Put 3 holes in there in each one. And I'm about to put it on the car now. So I just got... Oh! Somebody! I finished putting the first one on. This on the driver's side right here. So far it's looking good. Once we get it outside, we really gonna see how it's looking. From this angle, it's not looking too bad. I put this one on now. Put it on this side. The holes that I drilled didn't even line up. So what I did was I actually just like propped it up against the bumper and then just lined the holes up and drilled them in right there. So I'm gonna do the same thing for that side. And yeah, man, after that, we just gonna pull the car out and we're gonna see what it's looking like outside. I got them both on now. Got the passenger side. And I got the driver's side on. So now I'm about to just pull the car out so y'all can see what it's looking like. It's looking real good, man. We'll move back. Give it a more mean look. I think the sunlight blocking it out, so y'all can't really see it. But I'm gonna throw in a little bit of B-roll footage so y'all can get a better look at it. comment below. Let me know what y'all think about the splitters. I also got some on the back, so I'm gonna show y'all those just in case some of y'all haven't seen them. I got these a while back, these right here. I also got these from Amazon, as well as the ones on the front. One day I'm gonna do like a mods list of everything I have on the car. I haven't really spent too much on the car, except for like the performance mods, which was like the pre-cat deletes, which was I think about $450, and then the K-tuner, which was $500. I can't really remember. It was somewhere about $400 for each one, like $450 for each one. So those are like the most expensive things I spent on the car. Everything else, like visual, couldn't have been more than like $60 or $70. Y'all just stay tuned for a mods list video. If y'all want to see that, comment below and let me know if y'all want to see that as well. I finally lowered the car on the Rev9 coilovers. The next video is going to be about the coilovers, and I'll explain what happened, why it took so long for me to put them on, because I had them things for about 3 months already, and I finally got them on. I'm going to go more into depth and explain that for those of you who don't know why I haven't put them on already. So I'm gonna just end the video right here. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you're not already. It's your boy 40p, and I'm